the number one or the best diagnostic machine, it's your body. Nobody can tell you more than your body. No MRI, ultrasound, CT, X-ray machine can tell you more. No blood test can tell you more about your body than your body, right? So if the number one diagnostic machine is your body, why not learn more about it? Like, what is it telling me, right? And so last time I started off with symptoms. Your body gives you symptoms. Symptoms are not a normal thing. They're not normal. They're common, but they're not normal. You're not supposed to have symptoms, right? Now, is any body have zero symptoms? No, because we live in a polluted world, right? So the more symptoms you have, the more your body's telling you, hey, things are dysfunctioning. You need to do something about it before I completely fall apart.